What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Once again, we are back here in the garage with another vehicle to work on today. It's actually a friend of mine's car. They just bought the car not too long ago. Right when they bought it, they parked in a parking lot, came out, and there's some damage on it. I'll show you what we have. It's a 2022 Toyota Venza. And on this back door, you can see the damage there. It's in there pretty good. It's over the body line. There's some high spots, low spots, a little scrape in there. So we'll see what we could do, helping him out, making this look good. I'll probably access most of it, probably all of it, through the back end where the electrical outlet is. I might pop a little hole down low too, to get up underneath and touch it that way. The bracing runs right through there, right where that body line is. So we might hit some up top and then like through that hole in the bottom, hit some up underneath that way. That way we can touch it really nicely and you know, get that back to the way it should be. So we'll get started on this, take you along with this as we normally do, and we'll see how this thing turns out. Let's do it. All right, we've been working with this for a little while and it's coming out really nice. It was a little deep right over that body line, like actually not on the body line, but right over that hump. There was a pretty good crease in there. After I polished that out, it was pretty deep. I'll show you the results so far. So you can see we've been working the top part where that crease was, and that came out really nice. So you see down low here, we still have a lot of work to do there. But that shouldn't be too bad. I was more concerned about working that up top there where that deep crease was and that scratch. So we got that out looking really good. We'll keep going and fine tune the rest of that down low and get this thing done. We are all finished up. It came out perfect. It actually came out a lot better than I thought it was gonna come out. It looks really good. I'll show you the results. So like I said, we started working that top part where that sharp crease was, and that came out really good, and then we just spent time down below. But you can see the body line is right back to where it should be. The scratch came out, polished up nice, so I think he's gonna be really happy with this. He better be, it's free. But I'm happy with the results. I think he's gonna really be excited with that because, again, he just bought the car and that happened. That's always, you know, a disappointment when you get something new, you're trying to take care of it, and you come out of, you know, shopping, and then there's a big scratch with a dent in it. So we got it done for him. Hopefully you guys like this video. We'll do more videos, and we'll catch you next time.